This video is about adding a row to a table in R. Firstly, we need to create a data frame named df. This is the data frame we just created. The data frame has two columns, genotype and yield, and it has 6 rows. To insert a row into this table, we need to use the package dplyr. So we need to run the code library. After we run this package, we can start to insert the row into this table. We need to use the pi operator to work in the data frame df, and then we use the code add underscore row to insert a row that has the value a corresponding to genotype and 3.50 corresponding to yield. In this case, we want to insert this row on the top of this table. So we use the code dot before equal 1. We run this code. As we can see now, the new row has been added on the top of the table. We also can insert this row into the middle of the table. For example, we can insert the row to the table at the position before the row number 4 by using the code dot before equal 4, or we can use the code dot after equal 3. You run this code and we can see. As we can see now, the new row has been added, and this new row has been added after the row number 3. Similarly, we can run the second code and it gives the same result. And we can see here the new row has been added here. Lastly, we can insert the row to the end of the table. To do that, we just simply remove the code dot before or dot after. We run this code and we can see. Now we can see the row has been added to the end of the table. The link of this course is in the description of the video. You can find it and use this for the practice. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next time.